Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. In this video, I want to discuss about converting an octal number to decimal number. Now, what is meant by octal number system? Which is in base 8 or radix 8. And I want to convert into decimal number which is in base 10. So, what I want to do is that I want to take a number which is in base 8 and I want to convert into base 10 format. How we will do it, we will discuss now. Let's take that 675 base 8 is there. I want to convert into base 10 format. Now how I can do it? Take that 675. You will have weights for each one. The 5 will have a weight of 8 power 0. 7 will have a look will have the weight as 8 power 1 and 6 will have a weight of 8 power 2. So you have to do it as 5 into 8 power 0 plus 7 into 8 power 1 plus 6 into 8 power 2 you have to do it. So you multiply 5 into 8 power 0 is 5 plus 7 into 8 power 1 is 56 and you do it 6 into 64 you multiply you will get whatever it is you will get the number. So whatever the number you got you perform the addition and place it here. So this is the way you have to convert a octal number to a decimal number. Let me take another example. Okay, some 6, 7, 3, 4, something base 8, I want to convert into base 10 format. First, you need to verify whether this number is in base 8 or not. The maximum number allowed is 7. So, 7 is allowed, 6 is allowed, 4 is allowed, 3 is allowed. Now, I want to convert into base 10. So, what I will do, I will take 7, 6, 4, 3. 3 has a weight of 8 power 0. 4 has a weight of 8 power 1. 6 has the weight of 8 power 2. 7 has the weight of 8 power 3. So, you have to take 3 into 8 power 0 plus 4 into 8 power 1 plus 6 into 8 power 2 plus 7 into 8 power 3. You have to multiply the 3 into 8 power 0 plus 4 into 8 power 1 like that you have to do and you have to perform the addition. Whatever the number you will get, you will keep here as it. Okay. So, I request everyone to simplify this one and whatever the number you will get, you place it here. So, that is the equivalent decimal number for a given octal number 7643. Now, we will discuss another set of examples. Let's take that 765.25 is there. Okay, base 8 is there. Now what I will do, I want to convert into base 10 format. Now how I will do is that take the 765.25. The weight of the 5 is 8 power 0. The weight of 6 is 8 power 1. Weight of 7 is 8 power 2. And the weight of 2 is 8 power minus 1. The same way we have done the binary number to decimal number representation or the conversion. And the 5 into 8 power minus 2. So how we have to do? 5 into 8 power 0 plus 6 into 8 power 1 plus 7 into 8 power 2. Okay? Plus 2 into 8 power minus 1 plus 5 into 8 power minus 2. I hope it is clear for you. 5 into 8 power 0 plus 6 into 8 power 1 plus 7 into 8 power 2 plus 2 into what is the weight of this one? 8 power minus 1. I will keep it. 5 into 8 power minus 2. You perform the multiplication and addition. Whatever the number you will get, that is the number in the base 10 or a decimal number. So, I hope you have understood how I converted a octal number to decimal number. Now, let me discuss the reverse process. I will take a decimal number and I will convert into octal number. Decimal to octal number conversion. We will discuss about how to convert a decimal number to octal number. Let me take 763 base 10. I want to convert into base 8 number representation. The same way we have already discussed how to convert a decimal number to binary number. Now we will discuss about decimal to octal number. The process is almost same. Okay, you have to take 8, divide the number with 763. Okay, 763 is the number they have given in the in the decimal number. Now you need to find the equivalent octal number. So what you will do, you will divide the 763 by 8. What you will get? 763 if you divide by 8, what you will get? Okay, 8 ones 8 and 8 nines 72. Am I right or wrong? 8 nines 72. You will get 4 43. 8 fives 40. You will get 95 and the remainder is 3 you will get. Are you able to understand it or not? 763 what I have done? 8 nines 72. You will get 72. So 4 you will get and 43 and 8. If you divide by 8 you will get 5 and the remainder is 3, so you will get 95. Okay, if you have any doubt you please check it. 95 into 8, how much? 8 5s are 40. Okay, 4 8 9s are 72, 760. You got the remainder, you added 3, you will get 763. So 95 is the quotient and remainder is the 3. Are you able to understand it or not? Now again take it, the divide by 8. Okay, 95 again you divide by 8. What you will get? 95 by 8. Okay, 8 11s are 88. Okay, and the remainder is 7. So quotient is 11 and the remainder is 7. Now again divide the 11 with 8. What you will get? You will get the quotient as 1, remainder is 3. So how you have to take it, this number? Should you take from bottom to top or top to bottom? You have to take from the bottom to top. So what is the value? You got 1, 3, 7, 3. Meaning is that this number you place it in the MSB and this 3 you keep it in the LSB. So 1373 is the equivalent number for the decimal number 763. Okay. Now we will discuss the another one. Okay. 35 point some 25 I will take. Okay, base 10 I want to convert into octal number. Let me discuss how to do it. First take the 35, convert into octal number. How you will convert? 8 4s are 32 and the remainder is 3. Okay, further can you divide? No, you cannot divide because 4 is less than 8. So 4 3 is the number. Now you need to convert the 0.25 into octal number. How we will do it? We will discuss now. So 0.25 you take. Okay, you multiply with 8 because in the last video we have discussed the same one, how to convert into a binary number. So what we have done there? We have multiplied with 2 because we need to convert here into an octal number. We need to multiply with 8. So 0.25 into 8. Okay, how much? 0.5 into 4 is 1. Okay, so you will get 2.0. Are you able to understand? 0.5 into 4 is 1. So 1 into 2 is, you will get 2. So I have divided like this. Means 8 I have made it as 4 into 2. 0.25 into 4 is 1. 1 into 2 is 2. You got it. So keep this number here. You will get 0.0. So again if you multiply you will get 0. So this is the number, you got it. Are you able to understand? So 43.2 is the octal number for a given by decimal number 35.25. So how I got it? If you have any doubt, please watch it again. I have taken 0.25. I have multiplied with 8. What is the number I will get? 4.0. So take the 4.0 here. Take the 4. Take this 4. again in place of 4 you keep the 0. If you multiply 0.0 into 8, you will get zeros only. So you take this number. Okay, have you understand it or not? Or let me take another example to avoid the confusion or whatever the doubts you have. Let's take the 23.125 base 10. I want to convert into base 8 format. So how I will do is that 23 I want to convert into octal number. So what I will do? 8 2 is a 16 and you will have the remainder as 7. So 2 is the MSB bit and 7 is the LSB bit. Now I want to convert. The importance of this question is how you have to convert this 0.25 into octal number. So how you will do? 0.125 into 8 you will do. So if you do it, you will get 1.0. Am I right or wrong? If you want to verify, you can verify it. You will get 1.0. So you will take this 1. Okay, are you able to understand? In these examples, whatever I am getting, if I take that 1, I am getting 0. Sometimes if you have 1.5, let's take that when you are multiplying, you got 1.5. Then what you will do, you will take this 1 and take the 0.5 into 8. What you will get? 4.0. So take that 4. So the number will be from top to bottom you will take. So it will be 1 4. But in this case you got 1. So 27.1 base 8 is the equivalent for the decimal number 23.125. I hope you have cleared how I have converted the decimal number to octal number. If you still have any doubts, feel free to ask it in the comment section. I will clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. Thank you for watching my videos. Have a nice day.